Hi, I'm Bob with MarineMax, the Lake of the Ozarks, and I'm here today on this brand new, just came in this week, 2021 Harris Sunliner 250. This is a newly revised model this year. They've got new upholstery, it's beautiful. This is the French gray upholstery and it's got nice woven stuff. It's got the mouse holes with the drink holders and USB ports everywhere. This one's got the nice seagrass on the floor with the in-floor storage compartment for your skis. Got the removable windshield here. This boat is loaded up. It's being powered by a 300 Mercury, and it's been running the whole time we're doing this video. So it is a nice quiet boat. It's got a nice extended swim deck back there with the bumper holders, which are a new feature this year. Holds your bumpers right there on the rear. This is the single lounger, so this will come forward or backwards. You got multiple positions you can put here. It's not a stripped down model. This one's got a 9-inch Simrad with vessel view, so you've got all your engine performance issues here, as well as navigation, everything here. I've got a JL audio, digital throttle with power assisted steering. This boat is at a great price. We have 9 more on order, so come see us. I can't tell you the price, but it is a very competitive price, so come see us. I'm Bob with MarineMax. Come see me or any one of the salespeople. Thanks.